Hello friends, today in this video we would learn about Hyper-V, how to enable that in a Windows 11 home machine. So if we see this machine, if we go to settings and then we go to system and then we go to about, so we can see the device information. It has 8 GB of RAM and then processor is 11th generation Intel Core, and then we have addition of the Windows as Windows 11 home single language. The version is 23H2. Alright, and the OS build number is also mentioned here. But at the same time, if we go and search for remote desktop setting, it says that your home edition of Windows 11 does not support remote desktop. So in that case, if even if we go ahead and check for features, whether the Hyper-V is already installed in this machine or not, so we can see here that Hyper-V facility is not there. That option is not this, but at the same time we have the option to enable the Windows hypervisor platform. So I can enable that, but still the Hyper-V is not there. I would hit OK. It may take certain time for searching for the required files. Alright, so it says that Windows need to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. So right now I don't want to restart that. I would simply hit don't restart. So what I would do, I would go to PowerShell. I have this particular script which we need to run. I would not be able to run the same script here in the PowerShell. So we have to do that by another method. So let's do it by creating a batch file. I would go to text document. I would write it like this, for example, BATCH, or let's type it like this, Hyper V. Okay. I would save it like this. For example, save as. I would again go to a desktop. I would type here Hyper-V and I would select all files instead of text so that I would be able to use this as a batch file. Not batch but BAT. Hyper-V.bat. I would save it. I would close it. I would refresh the machine. So you can see that uh, we have created this text file. We have saved this as a batch file, and after that we would run this. I would right click on this, run as administrator. It would ask as whether I want to run this or not on the user account control screen. So I would hit yes. It would open the command prompt and it would download certain packages. So it would take certain time for the download to happen and installation to happen, and after that the machine would restart. It would ask me to restart. So once we restart, we would be able to see the Hyper-V uh, console available in the machine. So let's wait for a moment. Now you can see that it says operation completed successfully. Restart Windows to complete this operation. But before that, let's see the features again. You can see Hyper-V is set now. Earlier it was not there, and we have Windows hypervisor platform as well. So make major changes in the environment, obviously certain things require system restart. So obviously we would go for that. So I've just now restarted my machine and let's see the further options for Hyper-V. So you can see that Hyper-V is there, Windows Hypervisor platform is there. If I maximize this, I have Hyper-V management tools, Hyper-V platform as well is there. Okay, and here as well the GUI management tool and modules for Windows PowerShell is also there. So that's done. So what I would do, I would simply hit OK. I would go to Hyper-V Manager. All right, I would run that as an administrator, and it has the same interface, similar interface as that of the VMware. So you can see this Hyper-V Manager is there, and we need to connect to this instance, and after that we can create a new virtual machine or hard disk or the floppy disk, import the virtual machines like that. In a similar manner here on the you can say VMware, we have the option to create a virtual machine, open a virtual machine, connect to a server like that. Apart from this, we have other options. For example, we can uh, import the virtual machine. Okay, locate the folder and select virtual machine, choose import type and all those things. Even if we go for creating a new virtual machine from here, it would give us multiple options. I would click on next. I would click on new virtual machine. We want to select generation 1 or generation 2. So generation 1 is for 32-bit as well as 64-bit operating system as well. But generation 2 is especially for the UEFI based firmware, and then it has a supportability for 64-bit operating system. I would hit next and I can assign a memory to it, let's say 2048 MB, and obviously use dynamic memory for this virtual machine. I would hit next. Configuration of the networking, I would use a default switch. Hit next. I can create the virtual drive as well. I would hit next. Install the operating system later, or you can install it from here itself. Alright, and then I would hit some next, and I would click on finish. But right now I'm not creating that. So in this video we saw how to enable the Hyper-V and then how to use the Hyper-V Manager to create a virtual machine. If you found this video helpful, do like the video and share your comments as well. To get more amazing tricks, please hit the subscribe button for this channel. Thank you.